Guys, we have this question right here. It's asking, find the point on the line 6x plus y equal to 9 that is closest to the point minus 3, 1. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, we draw a line right here. And let's say this is the line that is closest to the point and that is closest to the point. So find the point on the line 6x plus y equal to 9. So this is the line that 6x plus y is equal to 9, that is closest to the point minus 3 1. So let's say this is the minus 3 1 point. So since this information is right here, so first of all we have to find a relationship. So to do that, what I have to do, there's an equation for this. It's for distance equations, is distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So let's substitute this one in this equation. It's going to be d is equal to, we know this is x, one of the x, but let's say unknown x as x. So if I substitute, it's going to be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 square. So if I substitute, I will get this value, and to get rid of this square root, I can square both sides. So if I square both sides, I will get d is equal to x plus 3 square plus y minus 1 square. Since the question is asking uh, closest to the point, it means minimum. We have to find the minimum distance, right? So to find the minimum distance, what I have to do is I have to find the absolute minimum. So the best way to find the absolute minimum is to find the derivatives, because the derivative is going to give me the critical point. That can be absolute maximum or minimum, but first of all, to find that, we have to find the critical point. But in this case, we have x plus 3 square, y minus 1 square, two different variables. So I have to bring everything in one variable. To do that, what I can do is, they have given the equation for this line, and it contains x and y. So what I can do is, I can simplify the y using this one. So if I find the y, it's going to be y is equal to 9 minus 6x. So I can substitute this y in this equation. So it's going to be x plus 3 square plus, instead of y I plug this value, it's going to be 9 minus 9. So this is xy. So I am taking this xy points from this equation. So 9 minus 6x minus 1 square. So if I do that, I will get x plus 3 square plus 9 minus 8, 1 is going to be 8, 8 minus 6 x square. Now what I can do is, I can find the derivative. If I find the derivative, this is going to be 2 comes in front, so it's going to be a chain rule. So first outside derivative, then inside derivative. So it's going to be 2 times x plus 3 times inside derivative is going to be just 1, because x comes out to be 1 power x 1 minus 1, x power 0 is going to be 1, 1 times 1 1, and any number is going to give us 0. Derivative of any number is 0, so it's going to be just 1. So I multiply this by this one by 1, then the other one is going to be plus 2 times 8 minus 6x, then the inside derivative is going to be, this is going to be 0, and this is going to be minus 6. Then if I equalize to this one to 0, and if I find the x value, so I'm continuing here, so x is going to be equal to 45 over 37. So to find whether it is true, or like if it's minimum or maximum, what I can do is, I can find the derivative, check the derivatives. So first of all, if I solve this one, let's see what I have to simplify to find the derivative. So let's say, so 2x plus 6 plus 2 times 8 16, then 2 times minus uh, minus 6x is going to be minus 12x. This is going to be multiplied by minus 6, and if I solve for this one I will get 6 times 12 is going to be 72, and this is going to be plus 72, so 74 minus 90, 74x minus 90. So this is my first derivative. So from this one I can find whether it is absolute minimum or maximum. So first of all, this is first derivative. So in this case it's very easy to find the second derivative. So let's find the second derivative. So this is first derivative. D prime, so we know D prime is 74x minus 90, therefore D double prime is 74 only, because this will become 74 and this will become 0. Therefore 74, this is a positive number, therefore we know this this is opening up, parabola opening up, therefore we know this is absolute minimum because this is the value we are going to get in. So we know this is absolute minimum. That's what we want. We want the closest point, that means minimum distance. So this is the closest point. Now if I substitute this x value in this equation and find the y value, y comes out to be 63 over 37. Therefore my closest distance is going to be closest point is going to be 45 over 37 and 63 over 37. So this is my closest point, and that's it. That's what you have to find. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.